In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the exact way to block Facebook on your Chrome browser on computer. So first of all, go to your Chrome web store and we will install our extension. So search here, block site, and all you have to need, add this block site extension to your Chrome browser. Once the extension added, click on this extension icon and pin the block site extension. Now open a new tab and open facebook.com. Don't go anywhere, make sure it's facebook.com. Now from this Facebook main page, click on this extension icon and here we can see facebook.com showing. Just click on block current site and we can see the Facebook successfully blocked through the extension. If I open a new tab, let's search for facebook.com. We can see the Facebook successfully blocked. And now if you wish to unblock Facebook to reuse from your Chrome browser, all you have to need, just click on the extension icon and click on settings and here select block sites. Under blocked websites you'll find your facebook.com. Just delete the Facebook from this list and then your Facebook will unblock. So that's how you can actually block Facebook in Chrome browser. Thanks for watching.